Welcome to COCOSYS, a construction and contractor planning and scheduling system. In this video tutorial, we are going to understand how to set up the construction planning master. Very first, we need to sign in. Enter your username and password and click on the sign in button. A product page will get open. All the Parascat products are available here. Click on the COCOSYS button. Navigate to dashboard. Click on ongoing capital projects. Here you can see the project list. Click on the project. In sidebar menu, you can see the construction planning master. First you have to define the discipline master. Click on plus button. Enter the new discipline here. Click on the save button. After that, we need to define work item. We can manually add work item, or we can upload the Excel. This is the Excel format, sample Excel format. Click on the upload button. Select the file from your location. Select the worksheet and map the columns. Click on the proceed. This is the work items. We can upload the work item in similar way using Excel upload for all the work items. After that, construction directory, we can define the project contractor here. Enter long name, short name, contractor code, currency code. Select the country where he located. Select the state and select the city. Also enter email ID of contractor and telephone number. And enter the full address of the contractor. This is the manual way to enter the data. Click on the save button. Similarly, we can upload the Excel also. Click on edit button and upload the Excel. Choose the file where you are located. Select the sheet. Select the Excel columns and proceed. Here you can see the list of the contractors. After that, we need to create the tender for particular work item. Click on the plus button for adding the rows. Enter the civil tender number. Select the contractor. Address came automatically. Enter the contractor value. Select letter of acceptance and contract completion date. Click on the save button. Click on the plus button for add the work items against the particular tender. So now I am selecting civil mobilization for particular tender, piling, pile breaking, excavation, PCC. You can select the work items which located for particular tender. Enter the tender scope for particular work item. Now I am entering for civil mobilization is 100, pile breaking is 1000, excavation is 20,000, PCC having 15,000, bricks having 20,000, and for plaster is 20,000. If revised scope is there, you can enter the revised scope in this revised column. Here we can enter the start date and end date of the particular work item. So I am selecting the January 1st 2021 is start date for civil mobilization and end date is December 2021 for civil mobilization. Similarly, for our work item we can enter the start date and end date here and click on the save button. You can see the all work. Next is SMH master. SMH is standard man hours. So I am selecting the particular civil work. Against the civil work, I am entering the man hours against particular item. So civil mobilization is 3, for piling is for 4, for pile breaking is for 4. We can enter the standard man hours against particular work item. Click on the save button. Next is resource manpower. So click on the edit button first. We can enter manually or we can upload the Excel. So I am uploading the Excel of work resource man hours. Click on the proceed button. Data are saved. So here all the worker types is display here. Next is resource machinery. Click on the edit button. Similarly, we can add manually or upload the Excel. Now I am going to upload the Excel. So machinery Excel is upload. Select the Excel columns against the SQL columns. Click on the proceed. Data saved successfully. Here you can see the machinery details. So this way all of the construction planning masters will be defined. Thanks for watching.